This cucumber sandwich.
I can make you a cucumber
What's wrong
sandwich.
with me? Welcome to the Lazy Cook.
And the Healthy Chef.
Today we are doing a dish that is a crowd favorite, especially when you visit Malibu, and that's from Nobu.
Yeah.
So what are we doing?
We are making miso glazed black cod. And
We're making my favorite salad, cucumber salad.
it's very simple, and I like that, simple and easy. And I thought this is such a good lazy cook meal.
I love it.
This recipe, we need to give all the credit and all the props to Chef Nobu. The only thing is you do need to marinate it. So this is,
For 72 hours.
yeah, that's what Chef Nobu does.
Right.
Now, people online have said they've marinated it for 1 hour, 8 hours, 1 night, 2 nights. So I have been marinating it for 72 hours because
right.
it tastes so good.
But I do want to own something. I'm considered vegan-ish.
Yes.
My ish sometimes is a little bit of fish. So this is a dish that if I went to Nobu, I probably would eat. Okay.
So what you've got is yellow miso.
Now, where can you get yellow miso?
So you can buy miso in any grocery store, and it's basically a fermented soybean paste. And you know what? Let's talk about miso for a second.
Let's talk about miso.
There we go. So there's different types of miso. You could use white miso. I think it's too mild.
So you like?
I like the yellow. So
Yeah,
what's
a
in
light
here
yellow.
is a
What's
yellow.
that? Okay.
And the difference is the fermenting. So the one that's been fermented the longest is red miso. And that's really, really deep in flavor. It's strong.
And it's the fermentation isn't that good for you for certain things?
Absolutely. So we love miso because fermented soybeans, really good for gut health. Okay, anything that's fermented is going to help with our gut health.
Right.
That boosts our immune system. It also helps us with metabolism.
We love anything that helps with metabolism.
Right? So you want to eat fermented foods. You want to have them in your diet.
Miso is your friend. You heard
is.
it here.
We've got cucumbers. We've got rice vinegar, some toasted sesame seed, and sesame oil.
Well, you know, when I came to this country, my mom would send me to school with cucumber sandwiches because I didn't eat meat or peanut butter and jelly. So
Sure, eating-
cucumbers were my vibe.
Right.
Everybody made fun of me.
Getting back to Chef Nobu's
Okay.
miso glazed black cod. We've got black cod, which is really, it's not a cod, it's a sable fish. I don't know why they call it black cod. Someone can comment and tell me, but anyways, and it's not that expensive. It's actually a really good price.
Oh, good.
We've got mirin, which is like a Japanese cooking sauce, sweet kind of a thing going on. This is what he uses, so I did it. This is sake. Would you like a shot of sake?
Oh.
I smelled it, I go,
No,
that's
soon
not right.
I might need one.
this, yeah, I'm gonna
Yeah.
drive her to drink. I swear.
Right.
So sorry. If you like sake, give us a like. Then we've got some sesame oil. Chef Nobu doesn't do the sesame oil. I'm adding it in because I wanted to.
Okay.
We've got 1/3 cup of sugar and then avocado oil. And then this is the garnish.
Garnish
Suzanne,
and the pickled ginger.
pickled ginger. So we got pickled ginger, toasted sesame seeds,
These are
and
all
a little bit of
garnishes.
jalapeno. These are garnishes. They're not part of the recipe.
Okay, perfect.
All right, so miso, mirin, sake, avocado oil, sugar, and sesame oil.
Wonderful.
And black cod. So what we're gonna do is, all we have to do is we have to make the miso glaze on the stovetop, and then we're gonna put the fish in a glass dish, cover it, and let it marinate overnight or 2 nights.
72 hours.
All right, so let's make the glaze and we can set
Okay.
this fish aside and we'll go
Excellent.
over to the stove. So we're gonna go over to the stove and make our miso glaze.
Okay.
So it goes
Mirin-
mirin, sake, and then miso.
Okay. Mirin.
Oh, Jesus. Why do I do that to us? Here's your whisk, honey. Give it a little. It's like we're having a steam,
Yes.
a facial of sake.
Okay, and then this?
Yep, and then the miso goes in. And then just let that kind of cook down and
Okay.
get in there. And once you incorporate your miso with your mirin and your sake, then you can add in the sugar and the sesame oil.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef. I know, like the.
Okay, and then this. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. One thing that Chef Nobu says is you do not want to bring it to a boil. So you just want it to
Okay.
be warm. Let it all incorporate really
Okay.
nicely. No lumps, no bumps.
Are you saying I have lumps in here?
I see some bumps
Yes,
and
definitely.
lumps. I thought you were going to say
Are
something
you
else
saying
to
that
me.
my
I was
miso's
like,
lumpy? Okay.
can I just ask you how easy is this to make?
So easy.
Okay, now
This
we
is-
can. I'll add the sesame
Okay,
oil.
you do
can
that.
Just whisk. Just whisk, honey.
Yeah.
Just whisk.
Just do your thing.
Do your whisking
Just whisk
thing.
it.
Okay.
Whisk it good. Hey.
Okay.
And that's it?
That's it.
All right, am I done?
Yeah, is it all?
Oh, don't do that.
I'm good. Hot miso in my eyeball. I'm kidding. All right, so there's your miso glaze. I've got our black cod. By the way, you guys, the black cod does have bones in the middle, but they come out really easy when you cook it.
Oh,
so
okay.
they just pop right out. All right, so we're gonna get that in there.
Which
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah, it's so heavy. I know.
Okay, here we go. Okay. Now, can you
Good
just
enough?
kind of get that on the cod?
Yes, I can.
You're amazing.
This
How does
is
it
very-
feel putting miso glaze on the black cod? What's
Very
happening?
easy. I'm feeling good about it. And then that's it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So-
honestly, there's nothing easier than this.
No, it's such a lazy cook thing. It's
Right.
ridiculous. And then we're just gonna cover it with some plastic wrap. We're gonna put it in the fridge for 8 hours,
Or up to 72.
up to 72. Some people have done it for 1 hour and they said it came out great. We're gonna do 72 and it goes in the fridge. That's it. That's all you
Perfect.
do. Fast forward 3 days later, I have some in the fridge that I've been marinating for 3 days. We're gonna take that out right now.
Okay, great.
Okay, we've taken our fish out of the fridge. It's been marinating for 3 days. I've set the oven on broil, super majorly important,
Okay.
because we're gonna broil this fish. But the
Definitely.
first thing Nobu does is he says, okay, you need to get a, ooh.
Oh my
No,
God.
it's so bad. It was hot, but not too hot. Take it out of the marinade, scrape off all of the marinade, so don't leave any on,
Okay.
and put it in a frying pan with a little bit of olive oil, skin side up.
Okay.
Luca is very, very interested. So I've got it on like a medium high. Luca, you're very, do you guys see this dog? Okay, we're getting all this off.
That's surprising because I would have thought that they would have kept as much of that on as
I would think so
possible.
too.
I
He
was
says to
surprised.
scrape it off.
Scrape it off then.
Oh, it definitely has a little bit of an orange color on the fish. I think it soaked up the marinade. So now this one's going down. Here we go. Thank you so much. I made this the other night for my husband. He loved it. So I think we got a
good.
yay.
Yay from Jonathan.
A yay from the Johnny boy. Okay, so now all this is done.
And then how long do you keep it down here?
2 to 3 minutes, he says.
That's it?
Yep.
Wow.
The reason why we're doing this right now, you guys, is to get those grill marks.
Right.
And to get it pre-cooked a little bit. Then we're popping it into the oven on broil for about 8 minutes.
Gotcha.
And then we're done.
Oh.
And dinner is
see.
served. And look who came to visit us.
Luigi.
Lulu Bear, come
Oh,
here, baby. The dogs are very excited when there's
Yes.
fish involved. I swear.
And
like
then
that.
do you turn it and then put it in the
Yeah,
oven?
we're gonna flip it.
We're gonna flip it.
Inside
Okay.
down, and then it's going in the oven. Yep.
Okay.
Wooden tongs. Would you
Yes.
like the honors of flipping
Thank
these, or do you
you.
want me to flip it? We hopefully have our marks. Gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, so we're going in the oven.
Alrighty.
Off.
Now we're making a side of
Cucumber
cucumber
salad.
salad. I love this, so I can't wait for you to show me how to make it.
I'm so excited.
Looks very easy because there's not a lot of ingredients.
There's 5 ingredients. Really, you could get away with 4. I'm just
Wow.
throwing in the chili for some color.
Yes.
It's cucumbers, rice vinegar, toasted sesame seed,
Uh-huh.
and sesame oil.
Wow. The hero
Yes.
of this whole
Yes.
salad is the mandolin. Is that what you
Yes.
call it? Mandolin?
Mandolin or
Okay,
micro
good.
plant. Yeah, mandolin
Okay.
is good. It's
All
good.
right.
So Tracy, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have
Yeah.
you thinly slice the cucumber. I'm going to slice up the red chili. And this is optional. You do not need
So-
the knife.
Oh, I
Stay
can just
away from the knife.
stay away from the knife. So, okay, wait,
Yeah.
show me how to do this. Is
Yeah.
it at an angle?
So I have it set on 1. I want it to be thin, almost paper thin. Depends on how thin you want your cucumber.
And then how am I holding it? Like this?
Yeah, you can go like that. And whatever you do, just do it with all of them.
Okay.
There
so
you
I'm
go.
doing it on an angle. Is that
Doing
the
on an
right?
angle.
Oh,
Sure.
Wow.
And you guys, you see how thin these are? This is great. This is so good because we want that rice vinegar to soak up. You can also add a little bit of salt or a little bit of tamari or ponzu or soy sauce.
I have a wayward slice over here.
Okay, that's okay. I know it's kind of was trying to escape.
Oh my God, they all are.
Wants to be free.
Yep.
This is such
Free
an easy
the
thing.
cucumber.
So Tracy was saying to me, I really have a mental block with making dinner. Show me some quick, healthy dinners.
I do. It's true.
Okay, don't rip your thumb off. Just
No.
we can
Yes,
leave the hat.
Don't look up. That's why my head was down.
Just keep going. And because you went on an angle,
Uh-huh.
just stay on the angle.
Had to
They're
taste
great.
to make sure they were
They're nice
okay.
and fresh. She's always doing that. It's so funny.
Always.
And while she does that, I'm just going to thinly slice a red chili just because I want to.
You know, and I have this whole set mandolin. Guess what? Still in the box. But this is really easy. And then you can change the level of how thick you want everything so simply. I love this. I'm not looking up because I just don't want
look
to
up.
lose
No.
any of my fingers.
Yeah, I can just leave her here to thinly slice and I can go do all my other stuff. This
can.
is great. This
You
is
can run your errands. And I'm just going to slice everything.
I'm gonna go to Starbucks. I'll be right back. No, I'm just gonna get a bowl of pretzel. For
Okay.
You. Okay, you keep going.
Oh, I'm more.
I mean, who are we making dinner for?
I thought it was just
two of
us, but I guess not.
What if we have guests?
Okay.
We need enough
All
cucumber
right.
for 4 people.
All right, do people eat like a huge bowl of this?
Well,
I mean, I would.
I mean, if
but,
they don't, I don't
you
know why they don't. Cucumber
I
is
agree.
amazing. In my books, I call it a free food because it's
Tell me why.
so low in calories. It doesn't really. It's mostly water.
That's
but it's
good.
still delicious and refreshing.
Well, especially these cucumbers.
I want to make a mocktail with this right now. I just can't even help myself.
I do love, well,
Yum.
I mean, a
Why
mocktail
not?
for sure. Because
Us
I'm
and our
definitely not
mocktail.
using this if there's any gin involved. Let's just say that.
Right. No. Okay,
now
so
what
I'm
do
going
we
to start
do?
moving this into a bowl, and we're
Uh-huh.
going to put a little bit of rice vinegar on top. Look at this
Okay.
cucumber goodness,
They're
you guys.
so pretty.
Yeah. Isn't that great?
Yeah.
So we've got our cucumber. Now we're going to add a little bit of rice vinegar, a little bit of sesame oil. Just going to give it a little tossing here. You can add more rice vinegar if you want. It's a simple cucumber salad, guys. We've got a lot of cucumber, maybe too many cucumbers.
I was trying to say that, but it went on deaf ears.
When life gives you too many cucumbers,
That's right.
this is going to be great. And then I will sprinkle a little bit of the roasted sesame seeds, roasted, toasted, and toss it again. And then we'll just let it set aside and marinate. The longer it marinates, the more you're going to taste that rice vinegary taste.
I love the taste of rice.
Let's give it a, it's perfect. It's light. I mean, do you want more vinegar? We can have more vinegar if you want.
Let's let it marinate.
This is so simple, right? So there's no reason that somebody can't make this. It doesn't take too much time.
You mean me? There's no reason I can't
I don't want to
make it?
name names.
Is that what you're
or
going for?
Name names. So we put the black cod in the oven. It's on broil. We've set it in there
Hi.
for 6 minutes. Tracy.
This is what happens when I'm shooting in the morning. In between shots, I'm
She's
looking at
memorized
lines.
her lines.
Sorry,
And
I
it was
love
on,
lines.
she's doing her lines because, in her other life, her name is Lauren. Oh my gosh. How do you do that?
Repetition.
Memorizing all of that.
Understanding the emotions underneath it.
Oh my goodness. I know you're over here cooking.
But it's
And look
fun.
at-
I gotta eat.
Can I just say, you're over here, you're memorizing lines, you're doing Lazy Cook Healthy Chef cooking videos. That is dedication to your fans.
Well, we love it.
We love
We
it.
love to bring you new, healthy, fun, quick recipes.
Yeah.
I love it that, listen, in between cooking, I am able to learn my lines. And, if you're working, I know it's really hard to think about what to make for dinner every night after you've been working and maybe you have to bring work home. So a lot of these recipes are, you can start this, like we started the cucumber salad, and now we're gonna have a beautiful, beautiful dinner.
Yeah, in 5 minutes or less.
That's
I know.
amazing.
We're gonna go, want to check the broiler? I'll check
Yeah,
the broiler.
let's-
You want to memorize
let's
lines?
Check the broiler.
Okay, let's see your sea bass. Can you
me-
open that up a little bit more?
Absolutely.
Wow.
It looks gorgeous. For me, I like it really well done.
That looks so good, Tracy. Well, yeah, you like it well done.
I
It
like
has
it really
4 more
well.
minutes, honey.
Oh, well,
That's
then
what it
that
is.
makes sense.
Oh my God, you have to get a close-up of this. Look at this, yummy, yummy. Look at that. That's perfect. So here is our,
It smells so good.
it's so hot, I'm gonna leave this here for
Okay.
a minute. But
We
look at
know.
this, we did miso glazed black cod. We made our cucumber salad.
2 seconds.
Once it cools down, we're gonna plate it.
Perfect.
But look at that, dinner,
Beautiful.
quick.
and So quick. I can't believe it.
Yeah, it's just dedicating the time to marinate it. Sorry guys, you have to marinate this one.
But you know what? It was so fast. And then you could do that, like just say on Sundays, if you do meal prep for
Yeah.
the week,
Yeah.
then you could do it. And then you know that you can eat this Wednesday night.
So easy, or the next night, right? Try it, let us know. If you marinate it
Please.
for an hour, 24 hours, let us know how it came out. We think this is amazing. Let me
Can
get
you?
my spatula, my fish spatula.
Your spatula.
Yes, this is a
Oh,
dedicated fish
that's
spatula.
I didn't even.
It's for fish.
There's so many things I don't know about cooking. It's not even funny.
You do. You know a lot of things. You're doing great. Okay, look at that.
Okay, beautiful.
And we'll get this one. This one looks really pretty, doesn't it?
There you
Okay,
go.
Here we go.
Perfect.
This looks so yummy and
Should we
flaky
put
and
the-
incredible. And then if you want to garnish it with some toasted sesame seeds like this, oh, exciting.
So pretty, actually. But what a beautiful, clean, quick, fun dinner.
Easy dinner.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. For you,
Thank you, my friend.
There you go.
Miso cod.
fast and easy, healthy, lazy cook, healthy chef approved. We are so excited to
Definitely.
present this to you. And thank you to Chef Nobu for this recipe.
Yes, definitely. It's very good.
So good and
Very,
buttery.
very, very good.
Whoa. You want some salt?
Definitely. I think that's what it definitely needs. I love a good French sea salt. That's my favorite.
Oh, the Maladon. I have it. I have it.
Maldon sea
Need the
salt.
Maldon.
Or Maladon, whatever you want. That's just what it needed. Needed
Oh,
the
yeah.
Maldon sea salt. Right?
Look at us. Critiquing our own cooking. I think it tastes just like the one at Nobu. I wonder how many people actually cook this and tell us what they think. I wonder.
If you do, please let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
This is excellent.
Fish, high in omega-3s, so good for you. Good for skin and hair and heart health.
Very
so
good.
excited. We got the miso in here, which is a fermented, and it's good
And
for
for the doggy. It's
doggy.
good for the doggy too.
Do you want to come up and say hi? Come say hi.
Oh, my
you get the
goodness.
cucumber. Okay.
Thanks
Everybody's
for
like,
joining us.
get the dog out of the
Like
kitchen.
and subscribe.
Yeah, remember
Easy
to
for me
like,
say.
save, share.
Thank you.
Okay, Luca. Okay, I love you.
Bye.
And then we wonder why he's on the counter.